The middle class is often seen as the backbone of society. Steady jobs, bills being paid, kids going to school, and a comfortable, predictable lifestyle. But for many, it can also feel like a trap. You work hard, save some money, maybe get a promotion now and then, but real financial freedom always seems just out of reach. Why does this happen? And more importantly, how can you quietly escape it? Let's break it down. Reason 1. Mindset and comfort zones. One of the biggest reasons people remain in the middle class is mindset. Many are comfortable with stability and predictability. A steady job with a regular paycheck feels safe. You're paying bills, saving a little, and life is manageable. But comfort comes at a cost. If your mindset is focused on security over growth, you may avoid taking calculated risks that could lead to real wealth. Being stuck often means trading time for money. You might work overtime or take on extra responsibilities at your job, thinking it will eventually pay off. But income growth often plateaus, and the middle-class mindset sometimes values titles and raises over strategies that generate financial independence. Reason 2. Lack of financial education. Financial education, or the lack of it, is another key reason people remain middle class. Many learn to budget, save, and avoid debt, but they don't learn how to make money work for them. Investing in stocks, real estate, or building businesses is rarely taught in school. Yet these are the tools wealthy people use to grow their wealth. Without this knowledge, it's easy to get stuck in a paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Middle-class spending habits often revolve around consumption: new cars, upgraded gadgets, luxury vacations, while wealth-building strategies are ignored. Reason 3. Lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation is a silent trap. As income rises, spending often rises alongside it. A raise might lead to a bigger apartment, a newer car, or more vacations. Over time, even a higher salary doesn't lead to real wealth, because expenses rise at the same pace. This creates a cycle where people feel like they're progressing, but their net worth remains stagnant. They might appear successful, but financial freedom is still out of reach. Many middle-class households live paycheck to paycheck despite higher incomes. Reason 4. Fear of risk. Fear of risk is a major factor keeping people stuck. Investing in the stock market, starting a side business, or buying rental property can seem intimidating, so people stick with the familiar 9-to-5 job. But wealth rarely comes without some form of calculated risk. The difference between middle-class and wealthy individuals often comes down to how they approach risk. Calculated risk, educated decisions backed by planning, is not gambling. Avoiding risk entirely may feel safe, but it usually leads to stagnation. Reason 5. Social pressure and expectations. Society and social circles also play a role. Many people feel pressured to keep up, buy the house, drive the car, take vacations like everyone else. Maintaining appearances consumes income and distracts from wealth-building strategies. Escaping the middle class quietly requires ignoring social pressures and focusing on long-term financial freedom. Prioritizing investments and passive income over showing off a lifestyle is key to breaking free. How to quietly escape the middle class. Escaping the middle class doesn't have to be loud or dramatic. It's about making smart, consistent choices that build wealth over time. Here's how you can do it. 1. Change your mindset. The first step is shifting your mindset from security to growth. Instead of relying solely on your salary, think about ways to make money work for you. This could be investing, starting a side business, or developing skills that allow you to earn multiple income streams. The goal is to move from trading time for money to generating income that grows independently of your hours. 2. Invest in yourself. Investing in education, skills, and knowledge is crucial. Courses, books, or mentorship programs can teach you how to manage money, start a business, or invest wisely. The more skills you acquire, the more opportunities you have to increase income and build assets. 3. Start building passive income. Passive income is money that comes in with little ongoing effort. Examples include dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, digital products, or online businesses. By creating multiple streams of passive income, you reduce reliance on a single paycheck, which is a key step toward financial independence. 4. Control lifestyle inflation. Avoid letting your expenses rise with your income. Instead of buying the latest car or upgrading your home every time you get a raise, direct extra money into investments, savings, or debt reduction. Living below your means is a simple but powerful strategy to accumulate wealth over time. 5. Educate yourself about money. Understanding money, how it works, how to invest, and how to manage debt is essential. Learn about stocks, real estate, entrepreneurship, and personal finance strategies. Knowledge reduces fear, allows you to take calculated risks, and helps you make better financial decisions. Start quietly. You don't need to announce your plans to escape the middle class. Start quietly. Invest money. Start a small side business or acquire assets without drawing attention. This approach allows you to focus on long-term goals without distractions or social pressure. If you want to finally break free from the middle-class trap and build real financial freedom, start by applying these strategies today. And for more practical advice on wealth building, entrepreneurship, and personal finance, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. Real-life example of quiet escape. Many people have successfully escaped the middle class by quietly implementing these strategies. For example, someone might continue their 9-to-5 job while building a small online business on the side. Over a few years, the business generates enough income to replace their salary. During this time, they avoid unnecessary lifestyle inflation and reinvest profits into assets like stocks or real estate. Eventually, they reach financial independence without needing to announce their plan or take extreme risks. This approach works because it focuses on long-term results instead of instant gratification. While friends or colleagues may continue living paycheck to paycheck, those quietly building wealth are setting themselves up for a completely different life. Benefits of escaping the middle class. Once you start building multiple income streams and making smart financial decisions, the benefits become clear. You gain freedom. Freedom to choose how you spend your time. Freedom from financial stress. And freedom to pursue opportunities you care about. You'll also develop a stronger sense of confidence in your decisions because you're no longer relying solely on a job or paycheck. By avoiding lifestyle inflation and focusing on assets, your wealth compounds over time. This means that even small, consistent actions like investing a portion of your income can grow into substantial wealth over years. Unlike earning a raise at a job, assets can generate returns even while you sleep. Escaping the middle class isn't about sudden changes or flashy moves. It's about quiet, consistent actions that shift your mindset, build knowledge, and create multiple income streams. By taking control of your money, avoiding lifestyle inflation, and investing intelligently, you can break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. If you're ready to take control of your financial future and quietly escape the middle-class trap, start today by changing your mindset, educating yourself, and building income streams. And don't forget, if you want more proven strategies to grow wealth and achieve financial freedom, subscribe to our channel now and join a community committed to smarter, more strategic living.